Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. We have ourselves a master lock here. We're going to go ahead and open up and see if we can get it decoded. Move all the dials, and you can see it's locked. Alright, here is my knife tool, and I'm going to see if I can zoom in on this at all. So bear with me for a second. And a little bit more. Alright, let's try it there. Sorry about the shaky camera. Alright guys, so everybody knows you stick the knife tool in left side of the wheel if I'm not mistaken. And let's see what we got. Okay, turn the wheel until we see the knife drop. Oh, there's a move. No. There we go. Okay, there's the first one. Try the second one, and again, keep your eye on the knife. And we got anything? Let me get this knife in here. Alright, let's try it again. Still nothing. There it is. Okay. Try the next one. Come on, get in there. Well, there we go. See the knife move? Okay, so that's the third one. Let's try the fourth one and last. See what we got here. Okay, what's going on here? Not getting anywhere on this last dial. There it is. All right. So that's not it. Let's move up a number. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. I might not have did this right, guys. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. There it is. Okay. I guess I probably should have looked. It looks like the factory code was 0000, but you guys see me do the unboxing. I didn't even look at the paperwork. All right. Well, looks like we got it decoded again with the old flimsy knife tool. Bottom left of the wheel, and feel for the flat spot. Alright guys, appreciate it. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.